Good morning, friends. I am Dr. Kapil Salgia, a practicing chest physician and pulmonologist at the Bombay Hospital and Medical Research Center, Mumbai, and I'll be more than happy to take all questions regarding povidone iodine gargles.
Hi doctor, my name is Nikita and I want to know why everybody is talking about this really old product called povidone iodine gargle. So please do let us know about it. Thank you.
So hi, as you rightly said, povidone iodine is an age-old product. It has been around in the market for decades. It is found to be very effective against common respiratory tract organisms like viruses and bacteria. Now, with an increase in the number of cases of COVID infection, and various studies have shown that it is effective against coronavirus infection, and hence the renewed interest and the regular use of these gargles in coronavirus cases.
Hi doctor, my name is Prachi. My question is that if gargling is effective, why aren't more people doing it regularly?
The gargles have been very important in the management of upper respiratory tract infections in our clinical practice. But somehow it has become out of fashion and a lot of people stopped using it. And that's why now with this renewed interest, people have started using these gargles for control of infection.
मैं डॉक्टर साहब से ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि गार्गल किस तरह से काम करता है।
So नमस्ते जी। तो ये जो गार्गल, जब आप इससे गार्गल करते हैं तो पोविडोन आयोडीन गार्गल में से आयोडीन के जो पार्टिकल्स है वो फ्री आयोडीन के रूप में रिलीज होते हैं और ये अपने गले में जो भी इन्फेक्शन के जंतु है, वायरस या बैक्टीरिया, उनके ऊपर काम करके उन्हें मारते हैं।
Hello doctor, can I stop wearing a mask if I gargle regularly? I'm only asking because these new studies show that the gargle is effective against the coronavirus, and to be quite honest, I'm tired of wearing masks.
No, mask is the single most important preventive tool that you can use in preventing COVID infection. Use of povidone iodine gives you an extra layer of protection, a Suraksha Kavach in management of COVID infection.
I double mask, wash and sanitize my hands. And I even shower when I get back home. Do I even need to use this gargle?
Wearing a mask, sanitizing your hands, and maintaining social distance are the three most important pillars in preventing COVID infection, and they are absolutely non-negotiable and should never be forgotten. Adding povidone iodine gargles to it gives you an extra layer of protection, but the other three have to be maintained and continued.
Hi Dr. Kapil. I wanted to know if using this regularly would damage my throat or if there are any other side effects that I should be wary of. Thank you.
No, using this gargle in the recommended doses really does not have any side effect. It can be used quite regularly and it definitely does not damage your throat.
Hello doctor. My family drinks hot water and kadha every day. Do I still need to add one more thing to my routine?
Hot water and kadhas have always been used in our country as a part for treating upper respiratory tract infections, and they are no doubt helpful. But povidone iodine is a scientific basis which works against viruses and bacteria in the respiratory tract, and we see it very commonly being used effectively in our clinical practice. दोनों का इस्तेमाल करिए, घर के नुस्खे और डॉक्टरों के नुस्खे।
Hi doctor, my name is Siddharth. I have had both shots of my COVID vaccine. Do I still have to wear a mask and gargle?
It's good that you have received the 2 shots of vaccine, but we have to remember the 3 most important pillars to prevent COVID infection are wearing a mask, sanitization, and maintaining social distance. And to it, let's add one more pillar, that is use of povidone iodine gargles.
Hello doctor. Is this gargle safe for elderly people and kids in my family?
Older kids and elderly people can use this gargle very safely. So anyone who can gargle well and properly can use this. But if you find that younger kids or elderly people who require a lot of assistance, they may find it a little difficult to gargle. But otherwise it is safe for all age groups.
I've just tested positive for COVID-19. Will povidone iodine gargle cure me?
No. You need to take treatment that has been prescribed by your physician. Definitely the use of povidone iodine will be a supportive element in your management of COVID infection. Isolate yourself, follow your doctor's orders, hydrate yourself well, stay home, stay safe. So friends, remember, we need to wear our masks, sanitize our hands, maintain our social distancing, use the iodine gargling regularly, most importantly, get vaccinated. Life needs to go on, stay safe, and follow these simple principles in your day-to-day life.